Welcome back to another video with your one and only Trader Sam. We're going to go through the price of Bitcoin. We're going to talk about what I'm expecting to see happen next. We are hitting a bit of resistance, and I do think we're going to get stopped at around the yearly highs, go sideways for a bit, and get a bit of a correction, and I'll explain why in further detail. Also, before we get started, guys, please remember I am not a financial advisor. Anything I say in this video is for educational purposes. Guys, I've put together this playlist of 24 uploads consisting of trading strategies and trading education. This is stuff that I've accumulated over the years, and it's not just stuff that you're going to find on YouTube and Google. So if you are a new trader or an experienced trader, you definitely will gain something from viewing these uploads, guys. And if you're looking for the best exchanges to do your trading on, I highly recommend Mexi and Bybit. I use both of them. Right now in Mexi, we have up to $20,000 worth in bonuses by using this link right over here. Also with Bybit, guys, you can get up to $30,000 bonuses as well. And if you're finding value from the content that I'm providing, be sure to check out our Legends trading community. 25% off forever with code LEGENDARY25. All the links for these guys are here in the description. So we're starting to see a little bit of resistance here for Bitcoin after hitting this high that we did create on the 16th of October. That was that massive wick to the upside. We have swing failed that high on the 8-hourly, and it looks like we're struggling to gain acceptance above this level. Personally, I'm going to be extremely patient in getting into shorts up here, because you can see what happens, guys, when you're forming a top or a bottom on higher time frames. So you can see over here, there's plenty of times where price comes up and stops out all these early short positions, right? So we do have a lot of time. The same can be said over here. You come up here, you fail to break above that resistance level, you come back down, and then eventually you come and you swing fail that high right over there. And actually you come and you do it once more again. So you can see there's going to be plenty of opportunities to get into short positions up here. And I do think it's highly likely that we will come up and take the yearly highs, at least take that liquidity before getting a reversal. Of course, we could just blast through that zone. However, we just need to be patient. For me right now, this is a no trading zone. It absolutely makes no sense trying to take longs from here, guys, because the risk to reward is just really not worth it. And you don't have room to get your stop loss in. Although the ES in the last week has seen a huge move to the downside, Bitcoin has been doing the absolute opposite. It's been pumping. But I do think these two assets will be back in sync sometime soon. And there still is a lot more room to the downside for this level that I think we are going to get a bounce from for the ES. So you can see right here, we have the point of control from this massive range. This range was taken from the yearly highs to current price action. And you can see the point of control coming in at 4,140 approximately is where we have leg D of this bullish bat pattern. We do have a bit more of a drop to get to leg D. We're about 2 to 3% away. So that could mean in the short to medium term, we get a bit of a pullback for Bitcoin. And if the ES does manage to find support here and get a massive bounce, well, that could mean that we're looking at another significant rally for Bitcoin. The DXY in the meanwhile has not been doing too much. It's just been going sideways, consolidating. However, we will be tracking this because if we break the lows here, that's going to be extremely bullish for Bitcoin. And if we manage to get acceptance back above $107, well, obviously that's going to be bearish. Not too much more to add here for Bitcoin, guys. If you did manage to get into a short scalp here, make sure you're taking profits aggressively because obviously we do still have the yearly highs in sight. And that is going to be a huge magnet because of all the liquidity that is set up there. So I am expecting us to get up there at some point. Of course, we could have a pullback even all the way down to the value area high or further. However, we just need to be taking profits as we go because nothing is guaranteed. If you've enjoyed this content today, guys, please leave a like and be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future updates. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.